We are in a very beautiful location in Brașov in Transylvania. We just come to Sinaia. Sinaia is a very famous city in Brașov, and it's a touristic attraction, and we just come to 1,400 meters on motorcycle. The motorcycle is just there in the front of the hotel. They renovated that hotel, so it's closed from 2 years, so they start to renovate that, and this is the maximum altitude you can come on motorcycle. And look at this view here. This is amazing. On the way we have the luck to meet some bears.
I'm so happy.
Yes, and this is
just having lunch.
Yeah, we're just having lunch, and this is traditional Romanian traditional mici. Yeah, so how beautiful is this? So that's amazing location here. And after that we go there, and then we can take the car cab from there till the top of the mountain, which is gonna be 2,600 meters. It's a beautiful day. It's like 20 degrees down here, and probably up is gonna be not more than 10, but it's just beautiful. So it's just amazing location. That restaurant is just in a beautiful location here, so you can enjoy a drink here with all these mountains. Amazing. So we're going on the top of the mountain now. I think so. And this is gonna be a beautiful view. Come with me. So from here, but I don't know where to get the tickets. Come. How beautiful is this? Bună ziua, de unde luăm bilete pentru de aici? Să mergem sus. So we're going to get the tickets from here, and then we're going up. Woohoo! All the way up there.
You're going up?
Yeah. Baby, look at this. Look at the high here.
I know.
Baby.
Stop it! Don't panic!
I'm more scared. I'm more scared here.
No, I can.
Oh. Freaking hand. How cool is this?
Did you see the other side?
Hang on, because I'm scared to move here. Look, this is moving on the cable when you move. What about if when it's strong wind here? What you gonna do? I rather fly.
I'm going with this.
Oh my god, this is more scary than ever. You see?
Stop it! Stop panicking. Safe.
But I like my glider, that's it. I can control my
No,
glider.
I'm not gonna die.
No one can control.
Today.
So. Yeah, but I think they don't do. They won't go up if it's windy. So. And on the top. Look at that. That's a lot.
Is this still we going?
Look at that.
It's empty all over.
Beautiful, beautiful.
From here to.
You see people walking
From
down.
here to fall, it's okay.
From here to what?
Fall.
No, it's not okay.
It's still not okay. But
No, you want that, you break your spine. That's enough. You see people walking? Look at that.
Yeah.
People walking 2,500 meters all the way down. Look at that. That's a healthy man. We was eating and having a lot of beer. We just sitting on here instead to do some walking.
It's cardio.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
And we arrive on the top of the mountain. And look at the view. How beautiful is this? Looks like we're going to have a little bit rain, and look at the landscape here. Bucegi mountain in Romania, Transylvania. And Kate, it's at the top there. It's a little bit cloudy but beautiful. Kate! Woo! We're going to have a little bit shower. Look, still snow, the snow there. It's snow, and we are in 20 of June. Look at that. Look at this view. Isn't this amazing? Ooh, I'm so happy to be here. That's amazing. So unfortunately we cannot stay more than 2 hours here, because we have to take the cab and go down. But we can walk for 2 hours on the top of everywhere to see. On the top of the mountain, look at that. Look at that.
And the storm coming.
and the storm is coming a little bit cloudy, but we don't care. How beautiful is this? I become very fat breathing like that. Oh my god. Oh, look at this view. Look at that view. So you can take another. Oh, so actually that's the place we come.
Yeah, that one. The gondola.
Yeah. Look at that view. Oh, okay. We have to walk down. I don't know if you can walk here slowly. If not, we can go all around. Okay, let's go. So the rain just stopped now. Was rainy for like 40 minutes, and look at that view. Look at that. So we're going down. Probably we're going to meet more bears, big brown bears. Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to my channel. We arrive in Transylvania, in Brasov, and we get ready to go in Bulgaria, and from Bulgaria we're going into Greece and then to Turkey. So please follow us on the biggest motorcycle and paramotor adventure. And here we have all the flying kit with us. So that's my paramotor, this is my passenger harness, and I have here a tandem glider, 42 square meters tandem glider. That's my glider, 28 square meters my glider, and everything from here is gonna fit in there. Isn't this amazing to travel around the world on motorcycle and stop to the beautiful places, to the beautiful location, and stop and fly and enjoy your life? Our channel, it's real. There is nothing fake. And this is my beautiful motorcycle Africa Twin. I bought it just before to come here. I only have 1,500 miles on this bike. So, and now I'm getting ready to pack everything to go around the world on motorcycle. It's gonna be amazing adventure. Bulgaria. So we are into Bulgaria. Oh, look at this. Hold this, hold this. Welcome to Bulgaria. We have 2,500 miles on the motorcycle already. So this is the border. Okay. So we just stopped in the middle of nowhere in Bulgaria, in the middle of the country. Look how beautiful is this. Oh. No one is here. Probably one car half hour. And the point is, just keep this on me, we just stop in Romania and look at that. Look at the color of that. This is from Romania. It's £1.50 per liter. So that bottle was £5 for that. Look at that. I can wash with this, not even drinking. How cheap is this?
Now give me one.
And now,
Glass of wine.
and now,
Let me taste.
my lovely queen. Look at that.
Let me taste.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, be careful.
Look at that.
Give me.
How good is this?
Let me taste.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do you know what?
This is
I
amazing.
feel sherry.
I don't know, baby, but this is good.
Is it? It's like a sherry. Tastes like sherry, not
I told you
grapes.
that area in Romania, it's a special for, they have a lot of grapes there, so it's a special, it's amazing area. So when we come back in England, I'm going to fill up all this trailer with wine. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? So today we have done 450 kilometers.
And it's not finished.
And it's not finished. We have 2,500 miles already on the bike. So but today we can do 500 kilometers a day easily. Welcome to our adventure. Our channel is natural, and here I have the paramotor inside, so we're going to fly. Look at the condition of flying. It's beautiful. We're going to do paramotor flying above the mountains, and the best location in Bulgaria, Turkey and Greece. Follow us, it's gonna be amazing. Don't hide, don't drink and drive.
Yeah. Come back, Dave.
Good morning. We arrive in Bulgaria. So this place is named Kranevo. It's 50 kilometers from Romania border, from South Romania border into Greece. So here it's hotel is Stefan, and that's the Black Sea there, which continues from Romania. So we follow this trip on our journey by the Black Sea into Greece and then into Turkey. Believe me or not, but for €26 you can have accommodation like this. So that's the place. We have a lovely balcony here. You can sit and enjoy the view. So you have sea and you have mountains as well. Ooh, it's going down. And inside, inside you have a double bedroom here. So you have a fridge, you have air conditioning. Our luggage is everywhere because we just arrived last night, and look at the mess here. We just put everything, chuck everything away. So chuck everything. And we have a bathroom, you have a toilet, you have a sink. So it's not a bad, it's hot water, it's cold water, of course. So for only £20, that's 20 English sterling pounds, so you can get that. So it's really good. So that's level, so this is half. But the thing is, if you want to stay longer here, you can negotiate. You can negotiate because they are really family and really nice people. If you stay like 1 week, the price is gonna be beautiful. Yeah, that's my bottle of wine from Romania. So what about that? So we're going to have a nice coffee.
Yeah. Lovely.
And nice breakfast. And I'm going to show beautiful places around. Isn't this amazing? So you can park here. You have a lot of parking space here. Oops, my camera is going down, so I have to hold. And my bike, it's safe. My beast is there. So let's have a look around. Look at this. 25 the temperature outside now, and it's only 10:30. Amazing places. We are in Kranevo, Bulgaria. So the people, that's the fishermen here, they go in to the sea and they fish. I can see fish in here. This area used to be a lot of snakes here, so we're looking for snakes. Be careful there because it's slippery. $25 ago, when I used to come here from Romania on my motorcycle, that concrete here was entire. But look at now, in 20 years time, 20 years late, what done in here. It's all collapsing. I used to ride my motorcycle here, all that, and now it's all broken. Look. So you have to be very careful. It's slippery here. Let's see. I saw a beautiful girl here. Yeah, I used to come with a motorcycle there, and look now.
Yeah.
25 years ago. Was so many snakes here, so many snakes. Probably we'll see one. Unbelievable what the damage is here with all this concrete. It used to be very nice, one piece. And look at that. Hang on, I saw something. Oh, someone is doing diving, baby. You be careful here, yeah? You be really careful, because if you fell down,
I'm not going up.
I want to leave this here.
Yeah.
Someone is doing diving. I think he's hunting fish. You come here, leave your crash helmet.
I'm gonna fall down.
No, you're not.
You know.
Don't worry about me. Look, people hunting fish. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at that. They go in there and then they catch fish. They hunting. Leave your question and they just walk here. You can. Look how beautiful is this. I told you that big fish here. Slowly. Take your slippers off if you want. No, that stone. Catch on this stone. Catch on that. Back. Look at the fish.
Yeah, following.
No, he caught this one.
Oh,
He caught this one onto the rope. Yeah.
Okay.
Look how. Have you seen the size of this? Like that.
Yeah.
Hello. Have you seen how big is this? Look at the fish there. He has a lot of fish. Look, he has two big pieces, like 5 kilograms. How good is this? He has proper equipment. The current is so strong here, it's a bit challenging to go into the water or to jump here. You see, they're going fishing now. They just get some shells, and now they're going fishing. Miles on motorcycle, so follow us on our big adventure, like, share, and do not hesitate to put a comment, because it's gonna be beautiful.